To get started, you want to arrange your threads in the colour order that you want. Now I've gone for rainbow just because I think it's nice and bright and shows up, but you could go for whatever colour scheme you want. And to begin with, I'm going to take the sections that I've got in the same colour, so I should have 2 threads in each colour, and I'm going to put them together as one thread. So I'm going to be working these threads as if they were just one, but it will actually be 2. And to begin, I'm going to work with these 2 sets of 2. So to start, I'm going to take these 2 threads, I'm going to work them over these 2 threads, like that, and then I'm going to work them under, like that. And then for the next part, I'm going to take the threads I've just worked over, and I'm going to work them over these, and then under. And then I'm going to switch back to what I just did at the beginning and take the original thread colours, working over and then working under. And I'm going to keep repeating these 2 steps with these 2 sets of threads until I've got this section as long as I want it to be. So once you've done the first section, you want to repeat the same knotting sequence with the next 2 sections. So I'm going to be doing yellow and green together, and then blue and purple together. And if you can remember, try and do the same amount of knots as you did in this section for both of these sections, so it'll be nice and even. So once you've done your 3 sections, you can go to fastening off your bracelet. Now if you want to make it look a little bit neater and less bulky at the end, you could do crimp ends and clasp fastening, but I'm just going to do braided tie-on ends. So I'm going to start by taking 2 colours at the end, and we're going to do a square knot over the other threads. So just going to work over, over, then under there and through. And then under, under and through. So I just did this so that I pinch all these together and then separate it back into the 4 sections, and then I want to do a 3-stranded braid. Once I've braided as long as I need, I'm just going to tie a knot in all the threads to hold them in place. And then trim off the excess. And you want to do this at both sides. And once you've finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed 3-stranded rainbow mash-up bracelet.